Hey guys, what's going on? So it's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I'm just going to show you, I'm going to do a DIY. These are the cross eggs from the Dollar Tree. I've never seen them before. I think they're really cute, but I want to try something with them. So I'm going to take these. I'm going to wrap the twine around them. Yeah, I've had this twine forever, and you can see like it's all untwined and a mess, but it's going to work out great. Some glue sticks and my glue gun, and that is all I need. So let's get started. All right, guys. So on this one right here, I opted to keep it together because I want to see what it's going to look like. And on this one, I took the egg apart because I want to see what it's going to look like. So all we're going to do, wait, where did I put it? Is first we're going to put our finger on because I will die without this finger. I can never do it right. So my plan is to just start down here at the bottom. Put some glue there. Ooh, okay, that's a lot of glue. And that's why, again, DIYs are not always for me. So actually, I don't even know how I'm going to do it yet. Wonder if we went this way with it. No, I still don't think that would work. Let's see. Let's see if I went this way. But then how am I going to get down the sides, right? All right, guys, I'm back. So how we're gonna start it out, I think, is we are going to start in the middle right here, and we're literally just going to, start by just wrapping the twine up and over. Probably put some on that side. This is just trial and error, guys, so let's put some right here so that it sticks. Just a little bit. If this works out, then you guys will see DIY. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going like this until I cover the front part of the cross, guys, so I will be right back. Okay, guys, with a lot of effort. Whew, this is probably one of my worst DIYs that I have done, but there are the sides. I figure if you don't look at the sides, you just look at the top. I did not do the second one like I said I was going to in my original one. Way too hard. Like, this may be easier to do, I don't know. But I just decided to do this, so I'm going to add in just one of my eggs. So I'm going to now wrap twine around my egg, and then I will show you both. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys how I was going to start this one. I was so frustrated from the last one. So I'm literally just going to put some glue right there, and I am just going to just go in circles around the whole entire egg. So this will be much easier than the other one. So I will be back in just a minute to show you guys my finished products. Okay, guys, so let me just say the egg, I have not yet like lit the sides on fire to get rid of the extra glue and all that stuff. But let me just say this, way easier than this. Like much easier. So I am going to light this one on fire just to get rid of the excess stuff, and then I'm going to do several of these so I can do them all a couple of different ways so that everybody has some ideas, because this, I guess, is cute but kind of plain, and it's a little too plain for me. So I'm going to do a couple of things to it, and I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I have a mess going, but here are my little eggs. So this is all Dollar Tree. This is some burlap ribbon I had gotten from a long time ago. This is their stickers, their paper flower stickers they have right now. This is like a cherry blossom one I got a long time ago from the Dollar Tree, and these are all have been in my craft things. So here is this one. And then here is this one with the pink and the blue, and that I definitely probably, and then here is this one. This one was a hot mess, guys. I didn't even try to decorate it, but there we go. My table is a mess, but yeah, I just thought these were so cute. I feel like I probably could have decorated them a little bit better, but you guys can decorate them however you want. They do have, Dollar Tree has that new colored twine that's out that is so cute. On these, I didn't pick any up because I have plenty of this twine, but you could even use like a whitewash and go over these, or a pink and go over these, which would be even so much cuter. So yeah, you can just put them in your little decor and there you go. So I just wanted to show you guys my little burlap, my twine little eggs. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.